We have our tools all over the place. Some of them in the garage, in the patio, in my home office, in my husband's office, in some of the closets. So they're all over the place, and sometimes it's quite challenging to find them. And I'm so happy that I have this like really nice toolbox now that was given to me by Vevor. So this is like 3-tiered toolbox, and it has handles. Look at how cool. I'll show you up close later, but like look at how cool. It has 2 handles and you can open it like that. See, I started like putting stuff there. So it has 3 tiers or 3 layers, and then 5 like compartments. 1 here, 2, 3, and then you can open this, and also you can open this. Look at how cool. See how much stuff you can put in there. This is made of high quality alloy steel and then powder coated. So this is like really durable and like it's sturdy and durable. And it has like opening here if you would like to lock it. So there's a place here to lock it to keep your tools secure. It opens up like really smoothly. So this is how wide it opens up into this. And you can have your like all your like tools here, and then close it, and then put it in like one corner, like here for example, or like that. Then you have, if you need something, everything is there. Really easy to find, right? I highly recommend this toolbox. Really nice. I really like it. I super like the color too. Again, this is the brand Vevor. I'll put the link down below if you are interested.